back to my channel. I don't know how many of you missed my nail tutorial, but here it is again. This is actually kind of different. This is a press on nail for the toes, and yeah, if you're interested, then keep on watching. So I went ahead to select like big ones. You guys, after all this counting, I ended up making a mistake with the amount of nails I'm actually meant to produce for this client, so I ended up doing few nails after. So I'm just going to go ahead to trim off the excess length and just give it the length I want. I kind of use my own leg as a measurement of the actual length that most people will, I don't know, most people will prefer. So I go ahead to like file it and like buff it as well. When I file with my rough file, I go ahead to smoothen it out with that colorful file there. So it was just that kind of balance so that I won't have to be dealing with like rough surface when I'm painting my nails. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next phase.
I'm kinda new with apologies, holding back, I got history, yeah, but the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it by.
If you guys notice that I'm trying to like make that in half so that the shorter toenails will be able to stick on it without that sticky gum thing coming out of it and then me painting it in the process. So that was just to avoid the whole mess. If you guys are not new to my press on nails tutorial, then you know this method that I usually do, where I put the gel on the nails before going ahead to distribute it. This is just to avoid all the sediment, all the remnants of the buffering process getting to the main batch of gel paint. So now I'll just go ahead to paint it, and this is going to be my first coat. So my first coat is always rough, and then the others just complement the roughness and just makes it smoother. So that's why I place the gel on top of the nails before painting, and 2, after painting the first coat, I kind of do this thing where I clean my brush whenever I remember to clean it before going into the next batch, so that the sediment or the remnant from the buffering won't get into the next batch of nail coats. So if that was understandable, then give me a thumbs up.
The same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it bite, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why.
So these are the finger press-on nails I paired with the toe press-on nails for the clients. And if you guys haven't watched the tutorial on that, I'm going to link it on the upper right corner. So I'm just going to go ahead to arrange my press-on nails into the package, and then later I'll deliver that it wasn't sorry later I'll discover that it wasn't complete, and then I'll go ahead to like make other sets to add on to that. So I'm going to show you guys a picture almost towards the end of this, and yeah, this is just me arranging it, and yeah, when I show you the picture you understand when you see it. So if you guys enjoyed this kind of tutorial, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, excuse me, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And you don't